Right back here on Tom and George's Grand Prix, putting in the new rag joint. Da-da-da. I've already mocked it up, as you can see. GM steering box. Whenever you're putting it square, remember it'll be centered. Obviously you can go lock to lock and measure, but it will be centered when the flats are straight up on top. So you put the flat straight up on top, and as you can see, tire's pretty straight, close enough. So there's our flat. So we'll work that baby where it's supposed to go, just like that. And we'll get it back, put the bolt in. You got to get it back into the collar here so the bolt retains it in the collar. And then we'll get our other end from our column, which will slip right on. But we're not putting the column in yet. Just want to get this in so I can mock up our booster and our master, which you'll see here next. All right, now that I've had to beaten the remainder of the old rag joint apart, I can clean up that end and put it where it needs to go. And we're ready to put the column in when it's time, which isn't going to be today, but coming soon. We also have a booster. Yay, booster. And here is our completed, cleaned, and fully assembled rag joint, ready for our column to go in, which will be coming here shortly. We're waiting on the firewall insulation, but rag joint's ready. Looking good. Alright, remanufactured booster, rebuilt locally by our friends at Advantage West. Got ourselves a brand new master cylinder, ready to roll. Looking good. Our rag joints down there, looking good. So I got one nut on the back of this just to kind of hold it up so it's mocked. You can see our rag joint. Come on, focus. There you go. There she is. That's ready for the column once the firewall insulation gets here. We can assemble and move forward.